Question number 30. The diagram shows pair of the circuit containing logic gates. In which diagram does the lower circuit of the pair behave differently from the upper circuit? So which one of the following shows the different behavior? In the option A, we can see here it's a NOT gate. NOT gate changes the input 1 into output 0. Or if the input is 0, it changes into 1. So if I consider here is 1, it changes into 0. Here this is NAND gate. Again I consider the input 1. Here will be 1 and 1. NAND gate is formed when I apply NOT gate over AND gate. And in the AND gate we say that if both of the inputs are high, the output will be high. So there will be high output for the AND gate. And when I apply NOT gate here, this one changes into 0. So there will be 0 output. It means that both of the outputs are same. So A option is incorrect from here. Now we check the option B. Here this is AND gate. If I consider input 1 and 0, the output will be 0 because here one input is low. In the second circuit again, here is NAND gate. There is also NAND gate. I consider input 1 and 0. 1 and 0, when apply AND gate, it changes into 0. And by the application of NOR gate, it changes into 1. So there will be 1 output. The input of the next NAND gate will be 1 and 1. 1 and 1. By applying the AND gate, it gives the output 1. And by applying the NOT gate, it changes into 0. So the output will be 0. Both of these are same. So B option is also incorrect from here. Now we check the option C and D. Option C, here it is OR. If I consider 1 and 0. In the OR gate, we say that if any one of the input is high, the output will be high. So the output will be 1. Again, here is NOR gate and this is NAND gate. Inputs are 1 and 0. 1 and 0 is basically the inputs of the NOR gate. NOR gate is formed when I apply NOT gate over OR gate. 1 and 0 changes into 1 by the application of the OR gate, and when I apply NOT gate here, it changes into 0. So 0 and 0 comes here. 0 and 0 combined by the AND gate, it gives output 0. And by application of the NOT gate, it changes into 1. So both of these inputs are same. It means that option C is also incorrect. Now we check the option D. Here this is AND gate. I again consider inputs 1 and 0. 1 and 0 gives output 0 by the application of AND gate. Then there is NOR gate and NOT gate. Inputs are 1 and 0. 1 and 0 changes into 0 by the application of the NOR gate, and this 0 changes into 1 by the application of NOT gate. It means that here 0 and 1, both of these are different. So D option is correct from here.